Jerry, I'm sorry for everything. I really want to be friends. Will you accept these? I know saying sorry isn't enough, Jerry, but I mean it this time.
I want to believe you, Tom, but it's hard. The map says the secret entrance is right here.
I think I found it, Tom. It looks spooky.
Well, let's go see what's inside.
The carvings match the map.
I can't believe we're here.
Maybe this isn't such a good idea.
Did you hear that? We are not alone! This map is useless! There's no way out!
We have to try something. He's right behind us.
It's all your fault, Tom. You had one chance and you ruined it. You don't deserve happiness.
Look at you, broken and alone. This is the consequence of your choices.
You are worthless. You deserve this suffering.
Do you finally see what you've done? Your life is shattered because of me! Jerry, please. I know I messed up, but you have to help me.
It's too late for that, Tom. You belong here.
This crack is bigger than I thought!
Excellent work, Thomas. Our great escape is near.
No. How could you? Pathetic.
I should have known better than to trust you.
Some mistakes you just have to live with.
Hello? It's good to finally be here. I hope I can earn your trust.
We heard you were coming. We welcome you, but we are cautious.
We have considered your plea, Tom, though your past caused distress. We see that... Thomas, your plea for forgiveness has been heard. However, the harmony of our town must be maintained. We have reached a decision. While your remorse is noted, Tom, the severity of your actions cannot be overlooked. Your plea for forgiveness is...
I needed you to know how sorry I am for everything. I really want to make things right between us.
I realize now how much I hurt you. I brought these flowers, hope.
I know it's hard, Jerry, but I've changed. Just give me a minute. How can I be sure this time is different? Jerry, I know this is difficult, but I wanted to apologize for everything. I truly am sorry.
Jerry, I know saying sorry isn't enough, but I truly regret how I've acted. I understand if you can't forgive me yet, but I had to tell you how genuinely sorry I am.
I know saying sorry isn't enough, Jerry, but I really mean it. I made this birdhouse for you.
Thank you, Tom. It's wonderful. Jerry, I know words aren't enough, but I am truly sorry. Please, accept these flowers as a truce.
Jerry, I am so incredibly sorry for everything I've done. I truly hope you can forgive me. It means so much that you apologized. I still don't know if I can trust you after everything that happened.
I still don't understand why you did that, but maybe we can fix this.
I promise, Jerry. I'll always be here for you. We'll fix this together.
I promise, Jerry. I'll always be there for you. We'll fix this together.
Oh, Tom, thank you. This means everything to me. I caused you so much pain. I wish I could undo the past.
I understand why you're angry. I just hope you can accept this. And maybe...
Jerry, I know it's hard to believe right now, but I truly want to change. I hope you can give me a chance to prove that I can be a real friend.
I know saying sorry isn't enough, but I want to show you I've changed. Let me help you fix this garden, starting with that trellis. Look, I brought the shears and gloves. I really want to help you fix the garden if you'll let me.
Okay, Tom, let's do it.
I brought the shears and gloves. We can fix this together if you'll just let me try.
Nothing stes of deel van.
It's fading. Jerry, I have to get to the tree before it's too late.
I know saying sorry isn't enough after all this time, but I truly hope we can finally be friends.
You walked away when I needed you most.
I know. And I am so sorry. It doesn't have to be this way. We can still make things right between us. After everything that happened, I finally feel like we can move forward.
I truly regret how I treated you all these years.
It's hard to forget, Tom, but I appreciate you saying that.
Jerry, I know it's been a long time. I'm so sorry for everything. Tom.
I was hoping you'd come back.
It won't be easy, but I have to try.
I know. And I'll be right here with you. Just keep walking with me. We'll figure it out together.
I hope you're right. It still feels a little scary.
I should have listened to you before. I deeply regret how I acted.
I know, Tom. I understand, and I forgive you.
I know I messed up, Jerry.
I want to try and make things right.
I appreciate that, Tom. Maybe we both deserve a second chance.
See, Jerry, I'm really trying this time. A new home for us, together.
It's a nice start, Tom.
The gravity of his past actions finally hit him. It was late, but perhaps not too late to begin again.